Voila! I'm your professor, Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to show you how much money gaming channels makes on YouTube in the 2019 world. And I think you will like this video a lot. We will start with my own channel and then I will show you another 3 channels. And this is going to be probably a short video. And in the end, I'm going to talk to you about how to grow a gaming channel if you want to start one. The first one is my gaming account, my gaming channel. It's a niche gaming. And as you can see, my channel was monetized last week. As you can see, this is July 21st, and this is July 28th. In 7 days from monetization, I made over 664 euro for 281,000 views. And it's kind of awesome because on the first day, it was really good surprise for me. I made over 159 euro. Woo! So it's really cool for gaming channel, right? I think so. And as you can see right here is like 50-60 euro because my views plumed out a little bit. They went down, but it's going to grow because I have some ideas. The second channel I want to show you is from 2017, and I'm going to hide myself now so we can see the views. The Room Ham, Clash Royale, and Brawl Stars. Clash Royale channel and views 2 million, nearly 3 million, let's say 3 million. And as you can see, the estimated revenue is $3,606. And you can ask yourself why the revenue is so low, because it's he's targeting kids. On my channel before, my target audience are people who are between 20 and 40 and mainly from the US. On this channel, he's focusing mostly kids from all over the world, and that's why the revenue is so small. So that's kind of it. Let's move on. Professor Akali, he made such an awesome video. Also, I'm going to hide myself like here. He made such an awesome video. Go and watch it. His lifetime for 2 years, guys, 2 years. Views 77 million and estimated revenue $111,000. In a business, in a car, makeup, if this would be makeup channel, he would be like, $300,000. And try to imagine like every big YouTuber you know, a Donkey, even comedian, entertainment, H3H3, they are making a bank on YouTube. So much money. So it's definitely worth it. Go and create gaming channel, but you need to be smart about it to gain traction. Another channel is called Wild Dude. And this guy, as you can see, this is for the last year and a half in 2018, views 12,500,000, and it generated revenue. It's a little bit same like any other gaming channel, $16,000. So it's also pretty awesome. And now, how to grow a gaming channel, right? That's a good question, Marcus. How to grow a gaming channel? First, what I recommend, find a niche. Don't make every game there is. Find a game and just focus on that. And make what type of quests you can make in a game. Let's say that you would choose, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to show you something. How to actually choose a game. This is going to be awesome. Because that's how we need to start. Go to steamcharts.com. Steamcharts.com, you will see a popularity of game. I wouldn't recommend making Battlegrounds or Dota 2 or CSGO or Apex Legends, Fortnite channel. It's too risky. It's too saturated market. You need to choose games like maybe Warframe, Dota Underlords, Football Manager if you like sport. And you can see like, okay, even this game, Sid Meier's Civilization, Total War, Dead by Daylight. Choose one of those games and go deep in it. Make how to beat quests, how tips and tricks, the best moments. You need to upload daily those videos to compete with others. You need to make longer videos. And then what you need to do, you need to support your YouTube creations with Twitch channel, playing that game. Really, you need to go all in into one game. And when you will have a base of people who are following you, then you can go to another game like Fortnite, like Apex Legends. A Team the Deadpan, the streamer, made this. Right now, he's popular in a Fortnite community, that he's a Fortnite streamer. Before that, he was playing really one game, maybe few games more, but there's the stuff. If you have the community, you can jump. Like if the new The Witcher would come out, what I would do, I would buy this game and I would just make all the quests in the world. Like every single quest there is, I would record it, I would upload it, and I would show how to beat it. And then people are going to watch it. Like people, like if you would make in a December or in August, if you would make a tutorials, people from all these months can go and watch it and you would get revenue, you would earn money from it. So this is another way how you can do that. But the most important thing, you need to enjoy it. If you're not going to enjoy it, people are going to feel it from you, that you are not going to do it sincerely, that you are just a put on, a fake. So yeah, this is it. This is all what is it. And then what you need to do, another way, is to always adapt. Never blame YouTube. Always take responsibility for your life. And just make videos, upload, watch tutorials how to make better videos. And I'm going to make a tutorial how to make a good gaming channel, successful gaming channel. And that's kind of it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support me, subscribe. And yeah, thank you all everybody, and goodbye.